If you want to know how I make this delicious egusi soup and bitter leaf, stay tuned and see how we make this delicious delicacy. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be cooking egusi soup. So I have my meat inside the pot, as you can see. So I've already washed my meat. So I'll be putting salt. So I'm going to allow the meat to steam before I can add water. I have my goat meat in here, my turkey, my chicken, and my assorted meat, and my cow skin, which they call it bomo. I have it inside. So I'll be putting a seasoning cube inside the pot. And then I'm going to cover it up. Okay, basically my ingredients, I have my melon here that is already ground, and I have my bitter leaf and my pepper, my seasoning cube, and my salt. So I do not like egusi soup a lot because it do give me a running stomach. So that is why I will be adding enough bitter leaf to it. My family love it very well. Even when I cook it, I'm the only one having running stomach after eating it. So that is why I basically had a lot of bitter leaf. If you are the kind of person that also have similar problem with egusi soup, it doesn't go well with your stomach, you can add bitter leaf. You can see this bitter leaf is very much. So when cooking meat, because of my own safety, I want to also eat it as well with my family. So I would basically add a lot of bitter leaf, dry bitter leaf on it. I've already washed this bitter leaf. I cook it and I wash it. You can see how dry it is. So soak in there and stuff. Because the chicken I will be using take a lot of time to cook, so I'll be adding enough water, and also the assorted meat. Be adding enough water to it so that they will cook very well. You can see my meat is still cake. My meat have not. I'm going to be taking out all my turkey because I don't want my turkey to be too done. So I'm going to be taking it out. So I have taken all my turkey out. You can see I don't want it to be too done. Then I'm going to be putting my washed okporoko, which is called stockfish. I'm going to be putting it inside so that the taste will be inside this water. It's this particular water we'll be using to cook the soup. So I'm going to be covering it up. Okay, so be putting palm oil. Then I'm going to be losing the melon.
So many places you don't go, money no more cause you just got the plug. Speak and let me give you this hour. Search no more cause already got the best. Make a tutorial it dey for you. Lifestyle blogging it dey for you. I been a vlog and cooking. Oh, everything dey for you. Subscribe, subscribe, hey, tell your friends, may they join us, so. Tell your friends, may they join us, so you never hear the gist, so you never get something. Hey, remedy for skincare, vlog and food, that is what I give you. Payment treasure got you. Everything nice and juicy. Subscribe and thumbs up. Subscribe and thumbs up.
You guys one particular story about Adamu. Adamu is married for 10 years, but they have no children. Adamu have fasted. They have come for a very strong Christian background. They have fasted. They have done all they can, but they both are medical okay, but they have no children. People have mocked them everywhere. They have laughed them. So Adamu decided, they have been scammed by a lot of pastors also. Adamu decided to go for spiritual purposes. He went to seek spiritual help. He went to meet this Baba who promised to give him children, but he said those children would be dedicated to the altar of the gods. So Adamu left and went home and told his wife. He told her wife about what the Baba has said, but her wife said, no, even if I don't have children in my life, I will wait for God's time. Adamu was so angry and he told her wife, where is God? Where are God all these years we have been waiting, praying? I can't be childless. I don't want to be childless. I need my own children. If you are not going to do what the Baba say, we are going to seek for divorce, or I am going to be taking a second wife, because I don't know what is happening. But his wife told Adamu, no, I will never mock God no matter what. And Adamu said, now he's giving his wife 10 days to think about it. After 10 days, if his wife has no good reply, he is going to take a second wife. So I want to tell you guys, after 10 days, Adamu's wife finally gets pregnant. She was pregnant with a twins. Can you see that? Sometimes God tempts you for you to know that he is God. In any condition you are in life, never you mock God. Never you mock God and say, where is God? You can see Adamu mock God, but he never knowed God's purpose for him, his family. God has already planned that purpose for them, but he was not that patient. I know sometimes in life we are just like Adamu. We see things in our life. We see that life has been tough on us. We decided to mock God. We are tired to pray. We think that God no longer exists. But don't worry. No matter anything you are passing through,
there is already in pepper in
worry. God know your strength. He know your weakness and your testimony is on the way. Just like the way Adamu's testimony was already on the way, but he was decided to go for the devil. Thank God his wife never accepted that offer. Now Adamu is now a father of two beautiful, fancy baby boy. So also with you, your testimony will be next, and you will testify just like the way Adamu shared his story and his family story.
Let me tell you that you're beautiful. You are beautiful, don't even precious you are. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful.
I'll be telling you.
Ain't no cry, still zero stress. Not know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more, cause you just got the bread. Stay calm, let me give you this up.
Taste
Such no more, cause already got the best.
Taste if there is salt.
Make a tutorial, it did for you.
We adding little
lifestyle blogging, it did for you. I been a vlog and cooking. Oh, everything there for you. Subscribe, subscribe, hey, tell your friends, may they join us, tell your friends, may they join us, so you never hear the gist, so you never get something, hey, remedy for skincare, vlog and food. That is what I give you. Clemente, I got you. Everything nice and juicy.
going to
subscribe, and thumbs up. Subscribe, and thumbs up. Giving you some good back, giving you some nice back, giving you some nice back, giving you some good back.
It is ready, guys. See,
I got you, I got you.
yeah.
At the same time, I will love you.
So I'm going to
I no go back. As we dey go, we no go back. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some more vibe, giving you some good vibe, energy full, giving you my good vibe. I say they want you, God they bless you.
So thank you for watching to this extent. God bless you. If you like, thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you have not. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.